news special on NDTV Hindu. Public figures and their private lives. Are we intruding too much as the media, or are we just doing our job? Now we're getting different points of view. Let's also get in the role of the media, which is very important in such a case. How important do you think it is?
Like media has the responsibility to tell the public what the world is, what is happening around, but not this much, not too much, not 24/7 on the same issue. No, just for their viewership.
So there is a limit.
Yeah,
and they should have a self-regulation, maybe.
Yeah, they should follow their ethics, right? Media has ethics, so they should follow that.
Okay.
Not too much like this.
Okay.
So that is my personal opinion.
All right. You have a point of view?
And a role of a media should be in such a way that it implicates and it implies certain moral values. What I want to say is that a media should be very, very consolidating figure. It should concentrate and it should bring a change in a slow and a steady way. That's what I want. Like it has brought a heroism and hero worship, and in the same time it can slowly change it in a good way.
Okay, pass the mic to her. We'll get in a point of view from here as well. What do you really think governs what we see on our screens today?
Well, I think first of all, I would like to bring that the TV industry has gone way out of proportion. As in, for nowadays, you have so many satellite channels. I think there's new technology where directly get a satellite into your TV without any receiver as such.
Yeah.
I think Videocon or something like that. The thing is that having so many channels in mind, yet people go towards certain channels, certain prominent national channels that most of the youngsters are aware of. And in those channels, irrespective of what kind of weightage you give towards a particular news, people are going to see it. For example,
because of the brand value, maybe.
Exactly, because of the brand value. And quite frankly, I think most of these are associated with the ratings as well. As in, if most of the news that is covered well, we tend to go towards that channel. And that's why I meant as a prominent national channel. And
so you're saying we have, the youngsters of today have the knowledge to pick and choose what's really quality and what's not?
I think we do. I think around the previous generation as such, we weren't as adept and as equipped as we are nowadays, because we are exposed to so many new things. The amount of exposure that we are giving is enormous. And the thing is that, as I was saying, the thing about Shoaib Malik and Sania Mirza, though the weightage that could be given in certain prominent channels would be like 75%, as most of these people object. I would say that irrespective of that, the 25% also governs the major catastrophes, the major disasters that are happening in our life. The socialist and the point of view is saying that people should be social towards it, and there should be a certain amount of things where they portray the lives of farmers, they don't get 3 meals a day and stuff like that. I still feel that there are not many people in the world who are not aware of this. I think most of the people who take the effort to look out of their own lives, not only their own problems, would be very much aware of the poverty line, the amount of India is suffering and such. So I don't think the media as such is really that responsible to all this.
Okay. Now you have a point of view about the role of the media?
Yeah, obviously I have. They cover this, for example, the Shoaib Malik and the Sania Mirza case. They show it all the time, they air it 24/7, and they concentrate more on it rather than the other issues. You can very well talk about personalities like that, but not too much in their, you cannot occupy their personal space. Come on, you should give them some space. Professionally, yeah, you can cover up, but...
Now, I also want to ask you at this point of time, apart from the role of the media, also lies responsibility with stars as well, public figures like we've been discussing. So what is the role of a star? Because some people say that, stars do all of this kind of a drama just to get all of that attention, just to crave all of that limelight.
Okay.
So what is the role of the personality as such? Should he be acting in a mature sense and, be responsible for all of his actions? What are your views on that?
Yeah, should be at least to an extent responsible to whatever he or she does. Like, for example, the Rakhi Sawant case, it was unnecessary. She wanted attention or something, but still.
You're talking about the wedding, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that much of a media coverage on that issue, I think is not needed.
Okay.
You can very well go on for some other issue.
Okay.
Cover upon it.
All right. There are different points of view from this side and this. You have a point of view about the role of the star itself?
No, I just feel that the media is highly responsible nowadays.
Okay.
They focus on issues what they have to at the right time. Just a few channels which need some popularity for their TRP ratings, they do such a thing like having the same program the whole day.
Okay, now I also want to get in the role of the youngsters. Now you've been saying role of media, role of stars. What is the role of youngsters? Now if you sit and watch all of those channels, it's also your responsibility. You're feeding them. It's your appetite that's being fed with all those. You say, okay, there is this, there is Farmers, there's Sania Mirza, but that is also important. I will also watch that. But you're still going back and watching Sania Mirza. So what is the role of youngsters today?
No, I mean, the popular figures are doing something wrong.
I mean, in the end, you have a TV for entertainment.
Yeah.
You cannot
The idiot
blame.
box.
Yeah, you can't blame these youngsters watching them. You cannot blame them.
So what
I
are
don't-
your responsibilities? Are you just washing your hands off and saying, we don't have a responsibility, we're just, we've got too many distractions?
No, but I'm saying actually it's the responsibility of the media. By showing these gossips and stuff like these,
Mm-hmm.
controversies, we can also feed them 30% of some good stuff. So in the end, by watching these, they also end up watching that. I mean, the good stuff.
it's a mixed bag of sorts. Okay.
Yeah, so we end up teaching the youngsters.
Okay, let's get closing comments now from both of you. Is the media intruding too much into the lives, or are they really just doing their job? Your verdict.
They are doing the job, but certain issues, they go overboard. For example, Mumbai attack, they covered it up well, hence the swift action. The government took good action. But in cases like Sania Mirza, Tiger Woods, I think it's
Totally unnecessary?
totally unnecessary.
Okay, somebody from here. Final comments.
I think media should be held responsible for the attention it's giving. It should play a father role in the sense like how a father will take care of his son. He will interfere with his life, but then he will not spoil his life. And
Okay.
So he'll help him grow. So that's what we should do, with the public
Okay.
and their lives.
Will you look up to the media as a father figure?
Yeah, we
soon?
should. We should.
We should. That's what we should come to, you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. So we've had a great response. You've got one final comment, one last
Media
comment.
should think about the ethics rather than thinking about the TRP ratings. That's
Absolutely.
the one thing media should have in mind
Okay.
while reporting.
Okay.
That's what I want to say.
Ethics, okay, ethics, father figure, that's what we are talking about. And responsibility, basically. You have to be responsible for your actions because media is what a lot of minds today look up to and, change their lives also in a way. Now, this is you special. If you'd like your set of friends or your gang at school, at college or a school level maybe, to come and participate in this show with a particular topic, I'd love to hear from you. You can call me at 9941322222 or shoot us an email at feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. I'll see you next time. Till then, it's bye-bye from me.